Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Don't skip the video if you don't understand the language. You can switch on the subtitles on the button of CC. So talking about this phone is a Redmi 12 5G Pro. It is a budget and most affordable phone under 12,000. It comes with multi-dimensity and multi-purpose. So make sure like, subscribe if you are new, and we are going to talk about new phone. Inside handset adapter, USB cable, warranty card, SIM card jack tool, and many USB cable. It comes with camera and perfection, infinity camera pro, and many things inside the phone. It comes with good quality of case, 22.5 volt charger, USB A to C, documentation flat and cheap, silvery and black blue. Talking about it many, and ports and button, as you can see, USB C and speaker grill, microphone, everything. Specification nothing but Snapdragon 8 Gen plus 2, very powerful process, best gaming process, and 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB, 2 and 128 GB, 256 GB, a full extent of 1 TB storage. It comes with 3 colors you are seeing on the video, 5000 mAh of battery, 18-watt charger, speaker grill, USB, as I already told. You can see this, everything is new, side mounted, and comes with fingerprint, face lock, and 3.5 mm jack with Snapdragon 4 plus Gen 2. It is India's first mobile which launches with Snapdragon of 8 Gen, 90Hz display, everything with multimedia. You can talk full HD plus mono speakers, IP53, dust and water, FM radio. Camera comes with 50 megapixel plus 2 MP plus 8 MP selfie, all modes, many filters, 1080 and 30 fps you can shoot up to, and display with 6.79 full HD, everything 90 Hz, and Gorilla Glass refreshment rate 90 Hz. Everything I have told. There is nothing. Fingerprint, Gorilla Glass, SIM ejector, hybrid, comes with 1 TB up to extended storage, and many more. As I already told, everything with documentation, Snapdragon, everything. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you are new. Please make me 1000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.